हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ स्टीम और स्टीम बॉयलर्स के इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के लिए, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं। पहले क्वेश्चन तब आगे बढ़ते हैं जिसमें कि हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पर 14 प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ स्टीम्स रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि एट अ प्रेशर of 0.00611 bar, the melting and boiling temperature become equal, and the change of phase ice water steam is shown on TV diagram by. The right answer is that a straight line. A straight line is the right answer. The next question ये कह रहा है कि at a pressure of 0.00611 bar and the temperature of 273.16 Kelvin, ice, water, and steam coexist, and such a condition is represented by. The right answer is triple point line. Right answer is a triple point line. The next question number third, at a pressure lower than 0. At pressure lower than 0.00611 bar and the ice dash at steam at dash ice dash to steam. Question number third is that sublimates. Question that number third is answer is the sublimates. Next question number 4. Question number 4 says that at a pressure of 2 to 1.2 bar and a temperature of 374.15 degrees Celsius, the change of volume accompanied by evaporation is. The right answer is 0. Right answer is 0. Question number 5. The condition of P is equal to 2 to 1.2 bar and T is equal to 374.15 degrees Celsius is called. The right answer is critical point. The right answer is critical point. Question number 6. At a critical point, the latent heat of vaporization is. The question number 6. The right answer is 0. Question number 6, that is the right answer is 0. At critical point, the latent heat of vaporization is 0. Question number 7, there is a no definite transition from liquid to vapor and two phase cannot be distinguished visually. The right answer is at critical point and above. There is a no definite transition from liquid to vapor and two phase cannot distinguish visually at critical point and above. Question number 8. Superheated steam behaves like dash gas. The right answer is that perfect gas. Superheated steam behave like perfect gas. Next question. Question number 9. At very high pressure, the volume of saturated water dash by omitted from calculation. The right answer is cannot. At very high pressure, the volume of saturated water dash by omitted from calculation. The right answer is cannot omitted from calculation. Question number 10 is that during throttling process dash remains unchanged. The right answer is question number 10 is enthalpy. During the throttling process, enthalpy remains unchanged. Question number 11. The diagram showing properties of steam on enthalpy versus entropy chart. The right answer is molecular diagram. 11. Diagram showing properties of steam on enthalpy versus entropy chart. The right answer is 11, that is molecular Mollier diagram. Question number 12. With increase in pressure, the enthalpy of evaporation decreases. The right answer is decreases. With increase in pressure, the enthalpy of evaporation decreases. Question number 13. With increase in pressure, the enthalpy of dry saturated steam. The right answer is decreases. Question number 14. For measuring dryness fraction of this order of 0.98 dash calorimeter is used. The right answer is throttling calorimeter is used.